More and more clients these days fly very expensive heavy sensors on the NOAA. Now we're going to showcase you the worst case scenario, a motor or a propulsion system failure. And we're going to showcase you that it's capable of flying the system and still land the drone safely with a motor failure. So the plan for today is to do an actual survey. So we plan the grid, an automatic flight. While mid-air we cut off one of the engines and then we're basically going to show you how the drone handles this situation and how it's going to be landed safely back on the ground. The laser we have today, or the payload we have today, is the Rigo VQ840GL. It's a green laser scanner. It's 12 kg, so it's a heavy sensor, but the NOAA can carry this easily. And yeah, like I said, it will take some time, so you might well see a little bit of a drop coming up from the flight height we're flying at this stage, and then it recovers, and then we're actually fully capable of having control of the drone, pressing a return to launch or land button, or actually land it manually by ourselves. So this is what we are going to do now. Three, two, one, yes. Okay, I'm in control, bringing it down. Okay, bring it here. Gonna make a landing. So guys, now you have seen what happened. So actually things were going pretty well, I have to say. Like the motor failure cutoff was on the right moment. I had lots of control. Still, it's quite windy, I would say, and it's still able to recover that as well. Sometimes you see a bit of a wobble. That means the flight computer is constantly busy compensating this other motor failure. So yeah, I'm very happy. I could still land it very safe. Also, I want to explain for the end users, it's kind of a situation where you can or land the drone manually or bring it back in a return to launch or press an automatic land switch. Both scenarios, all these scenarios will work. Today we just did a manual landing, and yeah, I feel very confident flying this machine, even with this expensive LiDAR sensor. I don't have any worries that I cannot land the system safely. So I hope you guys have a clear idea of what happens in this type of scenario. Again, it's a worst case scenario, so we try to make the drones as safe as possible. So I'm sure this will not happen in the future, but it can happen, of course. So we have to calculate this in, and then there's still a room for a safe landing. So thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.